Hi folks, it's November 25th. We're back down at the family shooting range. Just gonna have a little bit of fun, that's all. So, let's have some fun. All right guys, triple tap on 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. Tricked me there. Almighty, that hand cannon.
Shockwave.
You can feel it. All right, and we're clear. All right, on 0. 3, 2, 1, 0.
You beat me. Now Derek, look at the
Decocker, pull the decocker down. Right here, just pull that down. There you go.
There you go.
So what you're gonna do.
All right.
Whenever I say go, go.
You gotta throw a hand up, big dog.
Look at the size of the hole.
I'm ready.
Ready? Go.
That was safe.
Clear.
I don't know, I may have shot 6 times.
That was sexy,
I don't know,
man.
but they're all center mass.
I don't think he. I think he did.
Yeah, I think that.
Start backing up and pop 3 times.
Yes, sir.
Ready? Go. There you go. Yeah, clear. Go. Hey, 4 times.
He wanted to kill him.
Peacock.
He made sure he did. He wanted to make sure he did.
I have no idea.
He got a.
Go. You had more than that.
Josh is drunk.
All right, now, okay. All right, we're rolling. All right, we're clear. Well, that's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for joining us. Bubba Roundtree Outdoors. We'll be back with another one soon. Bye-bye.